Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can auto loot when you are in battle royale mode. So as you can see, the default mode is not auto looting, so you have to click some of the item like this. Click it, but you can do it by auto loot and customize how many loot, how much how the item can attach automatically with your weapon, such as scope, armor repair, etc. So what you need to do is click the setting button, tap it, setting, scroll down to battle royale setting. You have to tick the box on, read the question mark here. When enabled, items will be automatically picked up according to the number. So this is the number. You can auto loot the armor repair until 12, or you can decrease minimum maybe until 3, or the maximum until 30. So feel free to customize. And also the optical become auto loot and become attached to your assault rifle or your LMG. So if you untick the box, the holographic will not automatically attach to your assault rifle. So give it a try. What option that make your game easy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. Enjoy the game.